In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Projects. We'll walk through creating a project from start to finish so you can track time, expenses, and budgets with confidence. If you don't see projects in your Xero account, you may need the projects add-on or permission from your advisor or administrator. Start on your Xero dashboard and open projects from the main navigation. This takes you into Xero's job costing workspace, where you can see what's active, what's overdue, and what needs attention. From here, head into All Projects. The All Projects view is your control center. It's where you'll search, filter by status or due date, and keep an eye on profitability at a glance. Next, choose New Project to begin setting one up. A project form opens. Set the status to Draft. Draft is perfect while you're still confirming scope, budget, and timelines because it lets you build everything out without immediately affecting your reporting or triggering invoices. You can switch to In Progress later when you're ready to start work. Select the contact for this project. This should be the customer or client you'll bill. Picking the right contact ensures that any time, expenses, and invoices automatically link back to the correct customer record. If the client isn't in your contact list yet, add them first so you can keep your records clean and your billing seamless. Enter a clear, descriptive project name. A simple naming convention helps when you're juggling multiple jobs. For example, include the client name, a short description of the work, and a date or reference code. Keep it short, but specific enough that anyone on your team can recognize it instantly. Choose a deadline date. The deadline helps you prioritize work, filter your all projects list, and spot risks early. If you don't have a firm date yet, set a provisional one. You can always adjust it as details firm up. For the budget, select Calculate from Tasks and Estimated Expenses. This option lets Xero total your budget automatically based on the tasks you plan to do and the costs you expect to incur. It's much easier to maintain than a manual lump sum budget, and it stays aligned as you refine your scope. You can fine-tune task rates, time estimates, and expense assumptions later. When everything looks good, click Create. Your project is now saved and you'll land on its overview page. From here, you can add tasks, log time, capture expenses, and raise deposits or progress invoices as work advances. As a final tip, keep your budget and deadline up to date. Move the project from draft to in progress when work begins, and use the All Projects filters to stay ahead of deadlines and profitability.